Now, if you're looking to start blogging and start making money from the comfort of your home, then this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you everything that you need to know about how to set up a blog post and all the blogging secrets that you need to know for your blog to become super duper successful. Now, all you have to do is to please come closer and let's dive in. You know that if you get a lot of traffic, it can actually shut down your blog and then you're going to lose a lot of money. And I don't want that for you, and that is why I found this awesome solution. They have all these tools to make you succeed as a blogger. So all you have to do is come over to your browser. Let me quickly show you how they are going to help you. Come over to your browser and type in cloudways.com, or you can find the link in the description. So here you're going to come here and click on start free to sign up. So now that we have signed up to our Cloudways account, the next thing I want you to pay attention to is Cloudways Autonomous. So what this Cloudways Autonomous does for you is that it's going to add that buffer space for your blog, so that when a spike happens on your blog, it's going to shoulder it and keep your blog live to contain that number of traffic that comes to your blog. Now, how cool is this? So you don't have to spend a lot of money buying a big hosting plan. You just need to just come here and sign up with this for as low as $35. I had to reach out to them and told them, see, I'm going to mention you and I want you to give a discount to my audience, and they agreed to give you a 20% discount. So if you use the link in the description, you're going to get a 20% discount anytime you want to sign up with Cloudways. You can click on the link, copy the link, paste it in your browser, anyhow you want to do it, and you're going to get your 20% discount on your purchase. So now that I've saved your blog from crashing, because it's one thing to work so hard, write your articles, write your blog posts, and at the end of the day, the traffic that you're praying for, the traffic that you're hoping for, will now end up breaking your website. Now, that could be very sad, so I don't want that for you. Let me quickly show you how you can set up your blog post and start writing your article. Now, to do that, all I have to do is come over to a new browser. Now, I've done a tutorial in the past on how you can set up a website as a novice using Cloudways. I've added the link in the description, and you can also click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my back end, okay? So now this is my blog. The next thing you want to do is to come over to posts. So if you come over here, you're going to see these categories. You're going to see all posts, add new posts, categories, and tags, right? There are two ways to write your blog post. There is a hard way and there is an easy way. So I'll start with the hard way first, and then afterwards, I'm going to show you the easy way. So you click on add new posts. So now that it has opened, the first thing you need to do is to put in your title, right? So let's say I want to write about how to start a blog, okay? All right, so how to start a blog is the title. And then here is the blog post. So the next thing you want to do is to select the heading paragraph, okay? Select heading 1, and you're going to write the heading 5 easy ways to start a blog. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. And then the next thing you want to do is to come over to pre-formatted and then start writing your article. I have something I've pre-written before, so all I have to do is to just paste it here. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how to write an article, how to do your SEO for your article, how to get a low competition keywords and low competition topics. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make that video for you, and I'm going to go ahead and make it and teach you how you can write an article as a novice, and the article will come out as if an expert wrote it. I'm going to show you how to write it. You don't need an AI to write it. You don't need any magic to write it. I'm going to show you the easiest way you can write the article. So I've pasted it here. Of course, you're going to put in your paragraphs, okay? So let me bring this down as a paragraph. So let's say I want to add a picture to the article. Let's say I want to add a picture here, but I do not advise that you add pictures to your article that much, because Google is going to place ads on your blog, and most times it's usually pictures. So if you have a lot of pictures and then you have that of adverts, it's going to be clumsy kind of. So you want everywhere to be neat so that you increase your readability, right? So to add a featured picture, that is the picture that you're going to see when you search for this article or when you open the article, all you have to do is to scroll down to this end and you're going to see featured image, and I'm going to go ahead and click on set featured image. Let's say you have uploaded the picture in the past on your website. This is where you're going to find the same picture, and you're going to go ahead and select the picture and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and select this for the purpose of this tutorial. And again, what you want to pay attention to is the size. You can see this one is 85 kilobytes. But if I want to upload mine, all I want to do is to click on upload files and then click on select files, and then I'm going to select my own pictures. but I don't do this directly. I first use a converter. You come to your browser, a new browser, and type in Photo Optimizer, and then you click on it. You're going to see a lot of options. TinyPNG is smart. I love using JPEG Optimizer as well. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's use TinyPNG. So we're going to click on TinyPNG. Now, what this does for your website is that you're going to be uploading a lot of pictures in the course of uploading a post. And if you don't reduce the size of the picture, you're going to be uploading pictures that are like 5 MB, 10 MB, 30 MB, 100 MB without knowing. And if you do that, it's going to reduce the speed of your website, the loading speed of your website. So it's going to take time before your website can load. And once you have a loading delay on your website, Google will not rank you because they don't want people to click on the link that they saw on the first page and then it will take forever to open. It's going to piss the person off and the person will just leave Google and probably go to Microsoft Bing. So these platforms, these companies, they are doing everything to keep their audience on their platform, right? So they don't care about you, whether you understand how to do it or not. They just don't want you to spoil business for them. So the best thing for you is to understand how they operate and stay within that limit. Okay, so here all I have to do now is, this is totally free by the way, all I have to do now is to upload my picture. So let's say this is my picture and I'm going to open it now and I'm going to convert it. You can see it's 2 MB. You can see the picture size is 2 MB. Now you're going to see how it's going to crash down now after optimizing it. So here you can see it has saved 71%, a huge 71%. So it crashed it to 710 kilobytes, all the way from 2 MB to 710 kilobytes. Now you might think that 2 MB is very small, but when you upload a lot of 2 MB on your website, that's when you understand how heavy your website will become. So when someone visits your website, it's going to take like 30 seconds or 1 minute to load. And at that time, you'll be wasting your time. And that is why I'm leaking all these secrets to you, because a lot of people make this mistake and they keep complaining their blog is not growing. And whenever I see people like that, I just tell them, okay, give me the website. Just give me your link. And then I run a check and I found out, oh, your pictures are big, your site is heavy, it doesn't load fast, so you can't rank, you can't grow, you can't make money. So now that we have this optimized, the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on download all images, or you can click on this PNG and then it's going to download to your device. So let me just go ahead and name it optimized. Okay, and then save it to my device. And then the next thing is I'm going to come over to my website, click on select file, and then select optimize. Now that I've saved it is 693 kilobytes. Now, how cool is this? If you have not liked this video by now, please, are we quarreling? Are we fighting? Please go ahead and like this video so that you encourage me to make more videos that I will leak more secrets. Because for every business, there's a trade secret. And if you don't learn the trade secrets, you might not succeed. And what most people do is that they package these trade secrets and they put it in a course and sell to you, but I'm giving you everything for free. So the least you could do for me is just give this video or all my videos a thumbs up. So now I have selected it, I'm going to open it, and now I have it here loaded. And then the next thing I want to do is, I usually use this as a means of SEO as well. So I'm just going to change it to the topic of the blog, how to start a blog. Okay. So in the course of this series, the blogging series, I'm going to teach you how to generate your pictures with AI and use unique pictures so that you don't have any copyright issues as well. So here I'm going to use alternative text and I'm going to write the same thing, right? I'm going to put in the same thing, right? Or you can use that, our subtitle, 5 ways to start a blog. You can just use that here. So here you are going to now click on set featured image. So now that we have set it as our featured image, the next thing we want to do is to click on publish, or you have an opportunity to save it as drafts, or you can go ahead and schedule it and choose the date that you want it to go live, right? So like the students that I work with, we write a lot of articles before we start posting on our blog. And of course, when you have a lot of articles, you can't post all of them at once. So what we do is that we'll just set everything up like this, and then we're going to choose the dates that we want it. So every day we release 1 or 2. So we're going to choose the dates and then choose the time that we want it to go live, and then click OK. And then the next thing, you're going to click on schedule, and then it's going to go live. But if you want it to publish immediately, you just remove this and it's going to publish immediately. So if I click on publish, it's going to go ahead and publish immediately. So this is one way to do it. So now this is the link to our blog. So let's go ahead and test it and see how it looks. And now you have it. Now, how cool is this? 5 ways to start a blog. Now you can see the blog article, and then you can see the featured image, just like I said it. And then once Google start placing adverts, you see adverts in between here. You see advert by this corner. You see adverts hanging around, and that is how you make money from blogging. And again, let me show you another easy way to write your blog post, just in case you don't want to go through this hurdle. All you have to do is to come over to the post, and then you're going to go to all posts, because once you install your theme, it's going to come with dummy posts. And if it comes with dummy posts, all you have to do is to just keep one on your blog, but don't make it live, keep it in the draft. And the next thing you're going to do, anytime you want to write your blog, you just click on edit and edit the already existing blog post that came with that particular theme, right? Once you click on edit, you have it here as it is. So now use your article and then infuse them in the post. So this one, you're going to just go ahead and change it. Then for this title, you're going to change it to yours. And for this one, you're going to change it to yours. For image by, you don't have to put the credit, because of course we're going to generate it with AI. I'm going to teach you how to do all that. And then for this one, you just keep changing these things, and then at the end of the day, you go ahead and publish, and then you're good to go. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you want to learn how you can set up a website easily as a novice without having any technology, now here is a video that is going to teach you how to set up a website. You can even learn it and start using it to make money, design for people and make money off of it. So see you on the other side. Ciao.